Okay, starting 7.3 today. So applications of normal distribution. So this will be the last lesson for the week. Next week, we'll finish the chapter for another 2 weeks. So next week will be the CPT, and then I'll post the last lessons the week after. If you are taking data in university next year, the next 2 lessons after this one are really important. They are the most difficult ones in the course, but if you are doing it, or you might be taking it next year, it would be a good idea to get them to at least do the homework. All right, number 1. A sample of female patients at a hospital show a mean systolic blood pressure of 124.7 milligrams per mercury with a standard deviation of 14.5. Okay, so A, what is the probability of having blood pressure less than 130? So I said to you guys, yes, in the previous lesson, that when we're saying probability here, we are talking about a z-score. Okay, so we're going to calculate the z-score first. Okay, so we're doing sample x minus x bar over s. So our x value we're looking at is 130. Our average is 124.7. And our standard deviation is 14.5. Okay, let's calculate this. 30 0.37 rounded. Okay, there's our z-score. So remember, with the z-score, we now we can now look at the table. Okay, so we find 0.37, 0.3, and then go over to 7. So over to here, so 0.6443. Okay, so our probability is roughly 64.43%. Okay, and then just a reminder that the z-score, when you do this, it tells you the probability of that value and less than. Okay, so it's 130 and less. So that percentage was 130 and less. Okay, B, what is the